Subscribe this channel Nipnix and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
They're catching us.
Hello friends, welcome my channel Nipnix, place where you meet reality. This video is about making your own Android application just by using your smartphone, so let's get started.
At the top you will see different icons which will symbolize different platforms. You can click on them and check whether how your application looks on different. After opening the application, you are asked to write the name of application and the type of application you want to make. You can give any name you wish, and after writing the name of your application you have to choose the type of application you want to make. It may be of any type: education, fashion, gambling, etc. After choosing name and type, next asks for the theme you want to set for your application. Set best theme you like. Click on next button at the screen. This page is the most important page, because here you will have to design your application, and here you need to specify everything about your application. So you are done here, after designing and writing everything about your application. At the top you will see different icons which will symbolize different platforms. You can click on them and check whether how your application looks on them. You must choose your application's background image, icon and fonts to make your application great and essay to use. At the end, you have to enter your email on which you want your application to be delivered after some time, and the link of your application will be sent to you. Enjoy your first application and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, then click on the subscribe button below, because in the next video I am going to tell you that how to earn using your application, so subscribe.